Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Separate and Cyclist channel. So, today we're gonna be talking the new epic evolution to TUOJIANGOSAURus, and we will compare to a custom colored Dino Tracker Gigantspinosaurus and another custom colored Chialingosaurus from Dino Escape. So here it is. We're gonna compare it to TUOJIANGOSAURus from Epic Evolution. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh wait, let's check the box first. So, I already ordered this. It's not here yet, and I still don't have the Velociraptor. And we already finished the Goyabosaurus. Alright, so let's check it out. Open him up. So this is one of Sypha's presents back in Christmas. So let's see the feature. What does it do? Okay, so there's the DNA scan. I think you just shake it. You just shake the tail, I guess. Okay, looks like a strike attack. So you just twist it and that's what it is. Well, that's compared to the Dino Escape Chialingosaurus. It looks like the Chialingosaurus has a beefier body. It's bigger. Yeah. Then the Gigantspinosaurus. It's also bigger. So the color of this, it is inspired from the Jurassic World Alive Stegosaurus ungulatus, I think. I didn't get it that much, but I decided to copy it to change the color. Yeah. Turned out well though. See that? Alright, so back to our topic. So TUOJIANGOSAURus, it says it's from China. You can tell as the name sounds very Chinese as well. So it looks like a mountain type dinosaur. It probably lived there back then. Tail striking action it says, but I guess. Yeah, that's it. So that's how it does. It has green eyes. I have another TUOJIANGOSAurus, so I'm gonna custom paint that as well. We'll see. So yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you for the support and the love. And let's not forget to click that like and subscribe button. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, let me show you my custom hybrid Ultimasaurus. It's not done yet, but it may look a little silly, but let me grab it. So it's a bit big, so here he's still clayed up. There he is. I decided to use the horns of an Habitat Defender Triceratops. Clayed it. And then the frill of a Epic Evolution Triceratops, because it has extra horns. I decided to use the arms of the Indominus Rex. And I made him a little taller. And it has Velociraptor talons now. But that's it for now. I still don't have the Ankylosaurus armor. It's not. I don't have it yet. I ordered like at least 2. I think I'm gonna need 3 though to finish it up. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. So yeah, thanks guys. Like I said, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and like. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.